Vital Statistics, Unit 1. People of the country or the world as a whole are more important than other living beings. The human population plays a very important role in the development of a country. Hence, its study is very important. Meaning and definition of vital statistics. Meaning of vital statistics. The statistical study of human population is called demography. In this context, vital statistics is a branch of statistics which deals with the events of human population. In India, vital statistics are collected under Registration Act of 1886 and State Acts. Definition of vital statistics. According to B. Benjamin, vital statistics are conventionally numerical records of marriages, births, sickness and deaths by which the health and growth of a community may be studied. By vital statistics, we mean the numerical records pertaining to events connected with the study of human population. They exclusively deal with births, marriages, divorces, sickness and deaths of human population. Methods of obtaining vital statistics. The different methods of obtaining vital statistics are registration method, census enumeration method. Under registration method, vital events such as births, marriages, deaths, etc. are continuously recorded. The government authorities like Gram Panchayats, municipalities, corporation officers, etc. maintain the record of vital events. In the case of birth, the information regarding the date of birth, name of parents, sex of newborn baby, nationality, religion will be registered. In the case of death, the information regarding the date of death, name of deceased, parent's name or husband's or wife's name, address, cause of death will be registered. This method is continuous and compulsory. Census enumeration method. Population census is conducted usually once in every 10 years. Census enumeration covers data regarding sex, marital status, educational status, occupational status, religion, etc., which are needed for vital statistics. The information available for the census year only. Census data failed to produce vital statistics for intercensal years. Uses of vital statistics. They are of great use in planning and evaluation of economic development of a country. They are useful to government agencies for administrative purposes. They are very much useful in medical research. They are very essential in demographic research. They are highly useful to an individual by the way of recording birth, death, marriage, and divorce during his and her lifetime. They are of great use to the government to assess the impact of family welfare programs in the country. They are used in actuarial science.